Hi guys, Yasa here from Bellydance.com. Today I'm going to show you a combination with the Egyptian shimmy. If you know, the Egyptian shimmy is the one you do flat-footed and you just use your knees, okay, like this. And if you have not learned it, make sure you go to the website and learn it, Bellydance.com, okay? And you want to make sure you get to be able to do it to the point where you're like me now, right? Okay, like you are talking, having a conversation, and doing the Egyptian shimmy. Because if you don't get to that point, you cannot do this combination because we're layering, guys, okay? And whenever you layer, you want to make sure that you get the Egyptian shimmy first, and then you can layer with it. You cannot layer without getting the actual Egyptian shimmy first, okay? So if you got it, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to the side, and then we're gonna do boom boom, a lift and drop with the hip. Other side, shimmy, lift, drop, okay? So shimmy, lift, drop, shimmy, lift, drop, shimmy, lift, drop, shimmy, lift, drop. We can do that with the hips, like I just did right now, or we can do it with the chest. So shimmy, lift, drop, shimmy, lift, drop, shimmy, lift, drop. So that's the easier, obviously, version, okay? So if you have that kind of move that goes like this, that kind of beat that goes like this, perfect for this kind of move, okay? So what we're doing is we're obviously combining the Egyptian shimmy with the lift and drop. But where you can lift and drop is different. You can lift and drop the chest, or you can lift and drop the hips. The hips lift and drop is a little bit harder than the chest. So if you're a beginner, stick to the chest lift and drop, and then when you feel comfortable, make sure you switch to the hip lift and drop. So I'll show you both moves, which is shimmy, lift, drop, exactly the same combination, but I'll show you just chest first, okay? So what we're doing here is we're doing a chest slide. Excuse me, not chest slide, what am I talking about? It's an Egyptian shimmy with a hip slide, okay? So it's hip slide, hip slide, hip slide, hip slide with the Egyptian shimmy. I have taught you how to do this before, very slowly, like step-by-step breakdown, taking all my time kind of video. So check it out. Make sure you go to Egyptian shimmy combinations or Egyptian shimmy for beginners, and you will find how I taught you guys how to do this, okay? But for now, I'm gonna kind of like walk through it really fast, okay? So it's an Egyptian shimmy, side to side with a hip slide, okay? Now, let's see if we can do the chest lift and drop first, okay? Now, first of all, the frame of the arms before we get to the chest. We're gonna drop the arms down, and then we're gonna slide arms to the side, and make it look like we're kind of pushing our hips to the side with the right, and then we're gonna lift the left, but no bending of the knees, none of this stuff, okay? Because we don't want to bend the knees. We want to keep the knees locked the whole time we're doing this. So shimmy as you go to the side, keep the knees straight here, locked completely straight at this point, and one hand is on the side, kind of looks like we're pushing this hip out, and then we're going to lift the other arm, okay? But we're not going to touch our hips. We're going to just keep this hand out to the side, okay? Do the same thing on the other side. Other side. Other side. And other side. Okay, hopefully you guys got it by now, okay? Now from here, what we're going to do is back to center. Is we're going to do that, and then we're going to hold, and then we're going to do chest lift and drop. If you have not learned how to do chest lift and drop, please go to basic chest, or I think I call it like beginner's chest moves on my video on the YouTube channel or on the website Bellydance.com. So make sure you learn it there, and then come back to this video to learn this, because if you really don't know how to do this, just a simple chest and lift and drops, you're not going to be able to do this combination, okay? So here we go. Side, hold it there, and then lift and drop, okay? Now, slide to the other side, hold it there, hold the hips there, and then focus on the chest now, and then do a lift and drop. Lift and drop. Now, okay? Chest, other side, hip, other side. I can't talk today. Now, chest, okay? Lift and drop. Now, hip slide to the other side with the Egyptian shimmy, and lift and drop. Hip slide with the Egyptian shimmy, lift and drop. If I were to have the count or the beat, it would sound like this. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4. With the beat, it would sound like this. Drum, boom, boom, drum, boom, boom, drum, boom, boom, drum, boom, boom. Okay? Now, let's do the exact same thing, but this time we can do it the harder way, which is the lift and drop would actually happen on the hip level rather than the chest level. So we're not going to be moving our chest at all. Okay, so it's going to be side slide with the hip. So 1 and 2, and then we're going to go, because, okay, here's the important thing, and I think this is one of those things where you have to explain really slowly to beginners. When you slide your hip to the side with the chest, with an Egyptian shimmy, what's happening here is that all the weight is obviously on the left side. I'm sliding to the left, so all my weight is on the left, which means I can lift my right. Okay? So, which means if the weight is on the right, or on the left, sorry, you cannot drop the left. You cannot drop the side that the weight is on. You can only lift it. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually do a lift first before we drop. We don't do this very often in belly dance. We usually do drops first. We don't do a lot of lifts first. Even though we do the drops continuously, we lift, but we just don't put the emphasis on the lift. In this combination, we're actually going to put the emphasis on the lift. So feet together, and we're going to slide with the shimmy. So 1 and 2. All my weight now is on my left. I cannot drop my left. I can do nothing with my left except lift. So I'm going to lift, lift, and then I'm going to drop immediately. So it's going to be like this. So make sure you practice this way. Push your hip out to the side, and then lift and drop. Bum, 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 bum. Boom, 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 boom. Okay? Practice that a little bit and then bring your hips back in the center, and then let's start over with us. Okay? So it's going to be like this: 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, bum, bum, brum, bum, bum. Brum, bum, bum, brum, bum, bum, brum, bum, bum. As you can see, because when I push my hips to the side, I can only lift first. Then the lift is going to be 1 count, and the drop is going to be 1 count. So the actual side shimmy is 2 counts, which is 1, 2. The lift is 3. The drop is 4. Same thing on the other side. 1, 2. That's simple side shimmy. I'm going to lift at 3, I'm going to drop at 4. Okay, so it looks like this: drum, bum, bum, drum, bum, bum, drum, bum, bum, drum, bum, bum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it's a simple 8 count, but you do it on both sides, and then you shimmy to the side, and you lift at the 3, you drop at the 4. It's very important that you lift at the 3 first, because obviously when your weight is all on one side, you cannot drop it, you can only lift it. Okay, so hopefully you find, guys, this combination a little bit helpful, because it goes with the beat and it helps you kind of lift and drop at the right beat, and it spices up a little bit your combinations and your dancing with this exact beat. So hopefully you find this helpful. I'll see you next time. freebellydanceclasses.com is the website, and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.